You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American physicist, mathematician, computer scientist, and so on. If you want to learn more names from science of famous scientists and theorems from mathematics, stay tuned. I've got more videos. Maurice, it's from French Maurice, but you say Maurice Karnaugh. Karnaugh. Maurice Karnaugh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.